What's going on, guys? In this video today, I'm just gonna be doing a quick walk around of my new ride. So it's just a Tacoma TRD off-road 4x4. It has the bed tie downs. It has the bed cleats and also has the bed hooks. They're not installed because I don't really need them at the moment. I'm trying to put a bed cover on it first. It looks like just every other truck. It has everything I needed. The mud flaps. It has the all-weather floor mats, bed tie downs, bed cleats, and this is just a voiceover of the video. I wanted to show how it looks. So there's nothing special, just in normal. Everything the same. There I'm showing the blind spot, the headlights, then fog lights, the grill which has a TSS sensor, and yeah, this truck I got it pretty much a great deal on it. As there I'm showing the camera, you can't really see it, but yeah, I got it for $40,000 out the door. TRD off-road 4x4. It doesn't have a sunroof, but I don't really want a sunroof because the headliner's way lower, and yeah, that's not what I wanted. So yeah, pretty much you're gonna be seeing a lot more videos coming soon, modifications coming to the Tacoma. I just wanted to do a short video how it looks before. I'm gonna put another clip in right after this of how it currently looks. So I got this truck on February 16th, 2019. By the time you're watching this video, it should be less than about a week. So the 23rd, and I already got the windows tinted, and pretty much I'll have a lot of mod. I bought a lot of stuff. You'll be seeing more videos. Hey guys, this is another walk around, but this time it's how it looks a week later. Still pretty much everything's the same, but the back window limo on top of factory, limo on top of factory, limo, and 40%. We're trying to get a different angle. In person, it's pretty much the same thing. As you can see, let me try and get up. So you're able to see inside? No. But let's compare from the inside out. As you can see, you can still see clearly outside. This is the windshield. So let's compare the trees, the leaves right there. As you can see, it's not much of a difference. You can still see outside clearly even at night. Let's see if I can get a... not really. Doesn't really work doing half and half. But as you can see, it's clear. Limo. Here's a video of how it looks at night. Can't see anything inside. Okay, guys, so this is how it looks. As you can see, it's super clear, even if it's late. Yep, maybe in the camera it's a little bit lighter than in person, but not that much. But yeah, 40% is not blinding. So I don't even have my headlights on. And it looks fine.